So greetings everyone. In this video, I'll talk about hash search or hashing. So hashing is a search method that uses a key to calculate the address where that particular key and the value associated or the data associated with that key is located. Okay, so here we have a key value pair that we are interested in, and that particular key in that key value pair is used to compute the location where it is located in a table. Okay, so basically hashing maps a key to an address. Okay, and then that particular address will contain the key value and the data associated with that key. For example, if you are a student, your key value should be your roll number because that is unique. Okay? And your information could be retrieved from a table, okay, using that roll number. So that your roll number would be input to the hash function, and the hash function will generate the address where it is located. Okay. So here is the hash function. We generally denote it as h of k. K is the key. Okay, and the hash function returns the address, or basically the index where it is located if we are using an array to store information as a table. Okay. The result of the hash function, or the return, what hash function returns, is called hash value or hash code. Okay. And once we get the hash code, we can directly go to that particular location in our table and retrieve the information associated with that particular key. Okay. So here is some students. Okay, we have a hash table. Its size is 5 because there are 5 rows, and the key values is basically the roll number or the hall ticket number, okay, associated with the student, and the value is basically the name of the student and other information pertaining to their degree, okay, and requirements at that particular college. All right, so here we have a hash function. We design a hash function such that its parameter is key. So in this case, the roll number of that student, and it generates the hash value or hash code, which is basically the address, which means that if I input this roll number here into my hash function, it will generate 0, because this is where the information regarding this roll number is located. All right, so I'll show you an example. So here, if I give this roll number as input to my hash function, so this is the key value. So that key value is passed as a parameter to my hash function. This hash function will do the computation and return the hash code as 3, because this is where the student information is located for this roll number. Okay, I'll give you another example. Here we have given the key value as the roll number, and the hash value or hash code generated by this hash function is 0, because that's the key value pair where it is located. So this is basically our address. Okay, this is the key, and this is the value associated with that key. So we use this key as a parameter to our hash function to generate the address. Okay, thank you.